I swear to God, even on the cold day, the young niggas still rock like Coldplay. Understand, for my family there is no way. That's why for you other rappers there is no place. I am the main event, nigga, the showcase. Hip hop soulmate. Your way to the exit, and nigga please respect it, cause I'm one of them little bees you ain't dare to mess with. Pistol leave a nigga drier than the air desert. While I'm at the Hilton on the Paris session. Hip hop's David Beckham, my quote should be on the gates of heaven, cause I scream fuck the devil. So please comprehend. Oh y'all, this my hustle, cause my first EP.
Look, birthed in this ill world, skipped class and graduated to the real world. Rejected from school cause GPAs they weighing them. So I put my options on the scale, I'm weighing them. Being great come with hate, right? Move around in the dark, dodging the daylight. Yeah, I know it's gonna feel good saying we made it. Niggas hating on my team and we ain't even famous. Niggas try to make excuses for why they slack, and they just want the shit easy. X-Lax, fantasies of success and models. He drink till he see the bottom of the bottle. Bitch.
Listen, I spit too. Do it like this. I said, look, hey, beef in the end in a minute. Chasing my prosperity, a simple moment of my clarity. Staying humble, that's something you can't tear from me, and I can never seem to get away from what's prepared for me. Damn, I feel like get it with my eyes closed. Clear mind, but I ain't never puffed on hydro. That's why I keep these fake niggas to the side though. Stick with the entree and treat them like my side hoes. Yeah, but I ain't never been an imitation. I stay sexing the mic, we call it fornication. I love my fans and the rest and get scorned for hating. I'm starving, y'all not. Calm patience. Look, I keep my face in the mirror, staring at my soul, watch my visions getting clearer. Empty my mind, my heart I deliver. I can never let you make my dilemma, cause I'm put my beats in the haters get it the worst. I'm a hustler first, been on this is birth. I'ma do it for show, you should already know. Your blessings are blessings,